Hey everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video for you for nail art for beginners. I actually decided that I was going to see if there are good nail art products at the dollar store. So I went around I think I just went to Dollarama and picked up a few different things, and we're going to test them out and see if they actually work. I'm going to do it in like a 3-part video. So I'm going to do nail polish and different stuff in this one and show you what I bought, and then I'm gonna do one that I have like a gel like one I'm gonna try in another video, and then we're gonna actually see if any of these nail polishes stamp. So in this video I'm gonna show you what I got, and then we're just gonna see what the nail polishes are actually look like, if they're streaky, if they're even worth buying at all, and we're just gonna test them out and see how it goes. So I know some of you watching my videos may be on a budget, so I thought this might be a fun video to do and see if things actually work at the dollar store. I know nail polish can get really expensive, and I know I spend way too much on it, but doesn't mean that you guys have to. I do actually buy some things regularly at the dollar store for my nail art, so I thought I would mention that. I do purchase this nail polish remover here. This is the Cutex Care Nail Polish Remover Ultra Powerful. You can't always find it at the dollar store, but I found it a couple of times and I always pick it up because I really enjoy this nail polish remover, and it's only $2.50 and it actually works really well. I also like the green version. I think it's the moisturizing one. I don't think I saw it there at this time, but I really enjoy this nail polish remover and it works really well, and I got it for $2.50 at Dollarama. Next, I picked up some nail files from Lori. I think they were $1.25, and they're actually a really cute pattern. So these are great to like store in your purse or whatever, and they seem decent enough to work because eventually you just kind of throw out your nail files anyways. So I thought, why not pick up some really cute ones? The next interesting thing I bought was a nail polish touch-up pen. So this was $1.50 and it has 3 extra replacements. So it's basically just to put around your nails and clean up any mess you make. I'm just gonna open it up. Alright, so this is what the pen looks like. I think this is your end, and I think you push it to actually clean around your nails, and it has 3 replacements, and they're just in, well, there is what it looks like inside. And it says to clean this tip in between use, which makes sense because otherwise it will make it last longer. So we'll be trying this out. And some other things that I purchase also at the dollar store pretty much all the time are the Wet n Wild polishes. So these are, I think, $1.50, I can't remember. So I always purchase the Wet n Wild. This is the clear nail protector. I love these polishes for nail art decals, so they work really well. And I also purchased the base coat, so I use this also, and they are pretty decent polishes considering they're only like a dollar store. I like Wet n Wild as a brand in general, so I would recommend them. Alright, so now we're going to get into the actual polishes. So this is the Cosmic Color Nail Polish Set. $1.50 for 3 little polishes, and we're going to see what they look like on a nail, if they're streaky, if they're worth it at all. And then I picked up another one. This is the no UV light needed new gel. It's supposed to last 14 days. I'm going to do this in my second video. So you get your gel color base coat, and then you get a clear gel top coat. And this was $3. So you get 4 polishes for $3. That's not even $1 each. So we're going to try that out next video and see what it's like. And then the last thing I got was this set from Mariposa. $3 for all of these polishes. So we're going to test these ones and these ones in this video and see what they look like on the nail. Alright, so we're going to test out those 3 bright colors first and see if they do perform well on your nail or not. I have nothing on my nails right now. Maybe we're going to apply this base coat first. Alright, base coat is applied. The nice thing about this base coat is it actually dries pretty quick. So let's get into the colors. So So we're first gonna start with this yellow, if I can open it. Oh, there we go. And it looks pretty transparent, but we're gonna see. Maybe that's the style of these. Looks okay. Definitely not as bright as it is in the bottle. Let's try the green one, which it's not looking too promising because it kind of looks like it's separating. I'm just gonna shake it first. All right, let's try the green. Actually looks pretty bright, surprisingly. So for transparent tints, they're actually pretty decent. I'm gonna let them dry and then we'll do a second coat, but while we're waiting, we're gonna try the other colors. All right, so we're gonna try these colors now. None of them have names on them, but we are gonna try them. All right, so I made a mess on my nail there, so we're gonna use the pen. You think? All right, so I don't think you do anything, you just basically use it. Like there's nothing you activate. Seems to be working. I just wish I didn't do this on my left hand. But it definitely does work to remove the nail polish, so there you go, it works. And then you just clean it in between. I don't know if I messed up anything on this nail, so I can't show you well on my other hand. So this is all of the colors with one coat. They actually look pretty decent. So now we're gonna add a second coat. I'm just gonna do it off camera because otherwise this video will be super long. But so far they look pretty decent. Alright, so that is the second coat. They're actually not bad. They're just kind of more of the transparent kind of look. They're a little bit on the thinner side because they're not actually like cream polishes, they're more on the transparent side, but the colors look really bright and everything for 2 coats. They are not completely opaque, but not bad actually. I think I might end up using like these 3 as like stamp fill-ins and stuff like that would be really good, and even the purple. On this hand, these ones are actually more opaque. I think these ones worked out pretty well. Considering they are dollar store nail polishes, they actually turned out pretty decent. So I'm kind of impressed actually, because I didn't really have super high expectations for these actually polishes, but yeah, I am interested to see if these will stamp. I'm not really sure, but yeah, so I guess you can get nail polish at the dollar store. That's actually not bad. So yeah, but we will see how it goes. So you never know what you're gonna find at the dollar store. I know you can actually pick up like OPI and SC polishes. They're not always the best colors at the dollar store, but you just never know what you're gonna find. So not bad for, I don't know how much I spend, $3, $6 or something like that on these polishes. So yeah, give it a try, see what you think of a nail polish at your dollar store. So I hope you liked today's video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.